today I'm just going to talk to you about some products that give you instant glow. So I'm going to do this in two videos. I'm basically going to do a skincare one, which is this one, and then I'm going to also do a makeup one because I just think they're quite different. So obviously having a good skincare routine, drinking plenty of water, getting a good amount of sleep, using vitamin C, using hyaluronic acid, all of that stuff over time, you're not going to notice results straight away, but using all these things and just generally looking after your skin is going to give you glow. But here's a couple of products that like kind of give you glow on the day. Obviously using them over time will give you like a longer lasting glow, but this is stuff that will literally give you like that instant glow on the day. So I'm going to start off with face masks. So like if you're using brightening, hydrating face masks, they are not going to break you out. A lot of people think that if you use a face mask, especially like on the day of a big event like a wedding or a party, you're going to break out. That's only if you're using like clay masks or targeting breakout masks. But if you're just using like nice brightening hydrating mask, that's what's going to give you like that instant kind of pick me up. Any kind of hydrating mask will do. So I've got like the first strap here from Huda Beauty, I've got the 10-minute Miracle Japanfusion one from Beauty Pie, Pixie Glow. This has got glycolic acid in it as well. But these were kind of just like in the morning or just before like a big night out or something, they'll just kind of give you that like instant glow because they're really, really hydrating. Another face mask which I really, really like, it's not a sheet mask, but it is from Borean, and it is the Magic Transformation Mask. You can literally see kind of, it's got like a shimmer to it, this mask, so you can see the glow going in. You only put this on for 10 minutes, but this is a really, really good mask to just give you like instant glow and brighten up your face. Then of course you've got the Pixie Glow Tonic. I don't use this every day, I use this about 3 or 4 times a week because these kind of like retinol and things, I think you can use this with everything, it's so gentle, but this is amazing. I've been through bottles of this, the Pixie Glow Tonic. If you know, you know, it gives you glow. Obviously again, over time it's going to give you glow as well, but I feel like on the days that I use this, I can tell there's a glow. Another product which is fairly new to me is from Huda Beauty Wishful, the Huda Wishful range skincare. This is the Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. Honestly, days that I use this, again, don't use this every day, maybe 2 or 3 times a week. The days that I use this, like, it just gives you can see your skin, like, it's not squeaky clean, but it's clean and it's glowy. It gives you this glow, like, I just see this automatic glow like on my cheekbones here, like higher up, like where my highlight would be, and my face instantly looks brighter. I actually used this morning and I feel like my face instantly looked brighter. I also used this last night, so you know, I was building up with this video. And second of all, moisturisers. So I would not recommend using a moisturiser with like shimmer or glitter or anything in it. You need like a good skincare. Shimmers, glitters, anything like that, I would leave it in primers, makeup, all that kind of stuff, illuminators. But the best, you know how I feel about Borealis Laking Cream Concentrate. Obviously over time it's going to really, really like make your skin feel amazing, but I feel like this always gives me that instant glow before makeup, so this is a great one. But also I love this Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, which is actually what I'm wearing today. It is such it smells amazing. It is such a lovely base for your makeup as well. So but again, I just feel like this gives you like a nice glow as well as the Borealis, so it's either or. Then my last product is my SPF. So this is the Dual Bronze SPF that I use. A lot of people, I've recommended this to so many people. It's broad spectrum SPF. I'm not going to go on and on and on about SPF, why you should use it. You just know you need to be using SPF. It's just don't bother. Don't bother with the rest of your skincare routine, and don't bother slathering on the makeup and all that stuff, using retinols, all these different acids if you're not going to use SPF. Simple as that. So you obviously need to find the right SPF for you, and this is the one that I have been using for about 3 or 4 years now, and I really, really like it. It doesn't give you, there is a version of this that does give you a slight kind of like gradual tan as you use it. So I don't use that one, I just use the one that's got no colour to it, but I just feel like it has got a really nice glow to it. I feel like once I've put this SPF on, it makes me look like I'm wearing some kind of like filter or some kind of tinted moisturiser, It's and on top of that, it's obviously SPF, it's 50, it's broad spectrum, but this is a really nice one that just, again, gives me instant glow. So I feel like layering on like a nice moisturiser, doing all these things, and layering on all these things, which is still all skincare, then you do your makeup and add in those glowing products, you are literally going to be glowing from within. I will be back and I will let you know my top makeup products. I mean, obviously I was going to do like a whole top 5 thing, that didn't happen, I've got so many here. I will pick out like my top makeup products that I think are great to give you that glow, that dewy base, that glowy makeup look, that glowy no makeup look, that glowy look for when you're not wearing makeup, youthful glow that everybody wants at the moment. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you soon. Bye!